Hi gang, let's do this one. So what is the vertex of y equals 2x squared? Okay, the vertex would be 0, 0, because this 2 is doing what? This 2 is making it face up and narrow. Okay, the actual h and k are 0. Right, because you have nothing in the squaring and you have nothing after the squaring. So what you have on this parabola is the 2 value, which is making it, because it's positive, it's making it face up and narrow. Okay, so our vertex is at 0, 0. I'll plot a point like 1 and -1. So if I plot the point 1, 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. If you put in -1, -1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. Or you could just use symmetry to find it. So what usually would have been at 1, 1 and -1, 1, as you can see, is up higher. They're both at a height of 2, which is stretching out the parabola, making it more narrow. Okay, how about this one? What's going on with this one? This is negative, which is making it face down. The +1 is pushing it to the left, and the +4 is pushing it up. So the vertex on this one is going to be -1, 4. Opposite of the inside, same as the outside. Okay, so there's our vertex at 1, 4. Let's go in and do a couple points on this. So the y-intercept will let x equal to 0. So 1 squared is 1, but then you're multiplying it by a negative, so it becomes -1 + 4, so y is 3. So your point is 0, 3. That's your y-intercept. Okay, if you use symmetry, this is 1 unit away, so if we go 1 unit on the other side, that will be its buddy point. Its buddy point in space is over -2, 3. That's your point by symmetry. All right, and let's go do the x. Let's now do the x-intercept. So now let y equal to 0. Okay, I'll move the 4 to the other side. I'll divide off the -1. I'll take the square root of both sides. I'll put the plus or minus in front of the square root, and the square root of 4 is 2. I'll move the 1 over, so I now have x equals to -1 plus or minus 2, and now I'll crunch this out. So -1 plus 2 is 1, and -1 minus 2 is -3. So you have the x-intercept 1, 0 and -3, 0. I'll just say that one more time. So -1 plus 2 is 1, and -1 minus 2 is -3, which is giving us our 2 x-intercepts. All right, so 1, 0 is here. And -3, 0 is here. And let me draw that. Okay, and we get that lovely looking parabola. So again, this parabola is face down, shifted to the left 1 unit. As you can see, the vertex is moved off the y-axis, and then it's pushed up 4 units. All right, gang, let me finish this video here, and I'll pick up with one more graph in a moment. So I'll catch you. Bye-bye.